Rebuilding yourself begins with the vital, yet difficult, step of admitting that change is necessary. In a world overflowing with distractions and responsibilities, it is far too easy to lose touch with who you really are. We often lie to ourselves, claiming that things are fine or that we can simply endure our discomfort. But real transformation is birthed in the courage to look inward and face the feelings you've been avoiding. This is your turning point, the moment you choose honest self-reflection over comfortable denial. You must take a clear look at where you are versus where you truly want to be. If you feel lost, unsatisfied, or trapped in negative thought patterns, don't suppress those emotions. See them as valid signals. Whether the dissatisfaction stems from a draining job or a relationship that no longer serves you, acknowledging these feelings is the starting point for growth. Self-awareness isn't just about spotting what's wrong. It's about understanding the deeper reasons behind your unhappiness. To reach this level of awareness, you must intentionally create space for reflection. Use tools like journaling, meditation, or deep conversations with a trusted friend to explore the questions that matter. Ask yourself, what am I avoiding? What recurring patterns do I see in my life? How have my past experiences shaped my present? Give yourself the patience to let the answers surface without judgment. Recognizing the need for change takes immense courage. We often cling to what is familiar because it feels safer than the unknown, even if that familiarity is hurting us. You might fear failure or worry that things could get worse, but you must ask the more powerful question: what if things could get better? Real growth only happens when you step out of your comfort zone and embrace the possibility of your own improvement. Once you have acknowledged the need for change, you must create a clear vision for your future. This vision acts as your compass, guiding you through obstacles and fueling your motivation when things get difficult. It's not just about dreaming. It's about tapping into your authentic desires, focusing on what you truly want, rather than what society or others expect of you. To make this vision powerful, put it into words. Use vivid, detailed language to describe your ideal life, and align this vision with your core values like integrity, love, or growth. A vision without a plan can leave you feeling stuck. You must break down your larger goals into smaller, actionable steps and specific milestones. This approach makes the transformation feel less overwhelming and allows you to build momentum through a series of successes. Remember, rebuilding is not a one-time event, but a continuous journey. The most meaningful growth happens slowly through consistent, daily effort rather than instant results. Consistency is the vital link between your aspirations and your reality. To maintain progress, establish daily or weekly routines that align with your vision. Whether it is setting aside time for personal growth, exercise, or learning a new skill, these routines build the discipline necessary for change. Over time, these actions integrate into your life as habits, transforming what once felt optional into something essential. As you work toward your milestones, it is crucial to celebrate every win, no matter how small. These moments of progress reinforce your commitment and boost the confidence needed to keep pushing forward. While routines provide structure, stay flexible. Life is unpredictable. If a routine no longer works, be willing to reevaluate and adjust your approach without losing sight of your ultimate goal. The path to rebuilding yourself is never a straight line. It is a complex blend of triumphs and difficulties. You must accept that setbacks and failures are not signs of weakness or the opposite of success. They are crucial, valuable lessons. When you face an obstacle, lean into your resilience and ask, what can I learn from this? Every challenge you overcome builds the inner strength and confidence needed to turn your fears into stepping stones. You cannot sustain a transformation in a vacuum. A vital part of this journey is recognizing and releasing toxic relationships that drain your energy. Surround yourself with people who inspire, uplift, and hold you accountable. This supportive network acts as an anchor during tough times, reminding you that you are not alone. Furthermore, curate your environment from the content you consume to the physical space you inhabit to align with the person you are becoming. As you navigate the ups and downs, practice radical self-compassion. Treat yourself with the same kindness you would offer a friend, acknowledging that you are doing your best with the tools you have right now. Incorporate gratitude into your daily life to shift your mindset from what is lacking to what is abundant. This positive perspective fosters hope and keeps you grounded, even when progress feels slow. Rebuilding yourself is not just a personal victory, it is a source of strength for those around you. When you commit to growth and lead with authenticity, you create a ripple effect of positivity. Your courage to redefine your path encourages others to strive for their own potential. Remember, you hold the pen to your story. With persistence and commitment, the transformation you seek is within your reach.